In this lecture, we'll be learning how to create a component in Vue. The first thing that we need to do is over here in standalone version, include the Vue main.js file. Once you have done that, then we have to create a template. Now a template is something where you will be displaying the contents from a component. So if component is having some message value, that will be displayed using the template. In order to create a template, you just need to make use of general HTML like div, give it an ID. For instance, here I'll have this component template, and then I'll close this div. Now let's say I have to provide a couple of items inside this from my component. So I'll have a header tag, and here let's include a title. And then let's have another div which will just display the content. So here, as you can see, we are trying to display title and content. Now these two will actually come from the component that I'll be creating. In order to create a component in the standalone version, just have a script tag and close it here. Inside this script tag, we'll be creating a component using the new keyword Vue, and inside this there are two things that we need to mention. The first one is the template ID. So here you can see that I have given this div ID as the template. So here I'll be provided its ID, content component template. Now the next thing that we need to do is define the variables title and content. So that I can do using the data attribute for my component. Here I can mention title, let's say it as components, and then I can have the content as well. So content will be like creating components in Vue is easy. Let's save this now, and that's your first component created in Vue. Pretty simple. Let's go ahead and take a look at it now. Here you can see that we are running using the npm start command. That's the reason why you're seeing the port 3000, and this is standard version. Now you can see the title is coming up over here and the content as well from my component that I've created here. In the next lecture, we'll be covering how to create a component using the command line interface project